Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, collectives. Okay, so love reading. Okay, ngayong December, no zodiac sign needed. Okay, so kung hindi pa available yung zodiac sign mo, kasi parang nagawa ko pa lang ay hanggang Aries, Taurus, Gemini, Cancer, Leo, Virgo. Okay, hanggang dun pa lang yung nagagawa ko. So, ngayon, pwedeng ito muna panoodin mo, no, collectives. Okay, so, in general and in love, okay? Anong meron ngayong December, okay? So, syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And yes, I'm sorry. Kung may tanong kayo pagdating sa private reading, sa aking mga protection from evil eye, and kay love bracelet, kay granter, and dun sa ating new item for cord cutting, just message me, okay? So, maraming nagtatanong para saan daw yung cord cutting. So, maikling definition si cord cutting, ginagawa po yan para may alis na or mai-cut na, okay, yung mga energy na hindi naman na dapat kailangan na nandyan pa rin, na pwedeng nagbibigay ng burden, nagbibigay ng bigat, no, sa energy mo, kaya hindi ka makausad, kaya hindi ka makagawa ng mga dapat gawin mo na. Okay, so iyan ang aking aalisin. Okay, kung anong mga kailangang ialis, mga kailangang i-erase na. Okay, para hindi ka na masyado sabihin nating naaabala. Okay, so yun ang ating tatanggalin sa cord cutting. Okay, so message na lang po kung mayroon pang ibang katanungan. Okay, so collectives, okay, hang on. Yan, okay. Collectives, ano bang meron sa'yo in general ngayong December? Okay, anong meron para sa mga collectives ngayong December? In general. Pag may specific akong nakita, babanggitin ko rin po, okay? So, collectives, sa mga nanonood ngayon, anong meron? By December, para sa'yo, the High Priestess. Excuse me. So, the High Priestess, merong mga tutuklasin. Okay? Merong mga lihim. Let's see. Some of you, this is talking about our intuition. Okay? Our intuition. Some of you may chance na if ever you're open, okay, pagdating sa mga AB normal, okay, na sabihin nating face, no? Sixth sense, mga ganyan. Sabihin natin may improvement, okay? May improvement, lalo na kung ikaw itong parang meron kang inaaral pagdating dyan. Okay, there's this improvement. Okay, ngayong December. Yeah, that's specific, hindi yun para sa lahat. What's with the High Priestess? Yeah, the Seven of Swords. Some of you, there's this secret na pwedeng ma-reveal. Some of you, merong makuhuli. I don't know kung ano to, or meron kang makikita, meron kang malalaman. Okay? In general, meron lang sabihin nating makikita, masasagot. Okay? Kalinawan by December. Yeah, some of you, this is talking about commitments, talking about some of you meron ditong this is specific, merong magpo-propose by December. Yeah, some of you pwedeng may nag-propose nung September, and I guess may something na mangyayari ngayong December. That's specific, hindi yun para sa lahat. Okay? Yeah. Some of you, ikaw itong pwedeng may something na bago na aaralin, and pwedeng sabihin natin parang mapagkakakitaan. Okay? Parang ganun. Meron kang aaralin, and then so siguro nung mga nakaraan meron kang mga sinisimulan. So by December may chance na mapagkitaan mo na kung ano man yun. Okay? So there. Diba? Ang dami. Dalawa pa lang. Anyway. Yeah. What else? For the collectives. The lovers. Okay. So, partnership, reconnection. Okay? By December. Some of you, pwedeng ikaw itong magkaroon ng karelasyon by December. Meron ditong mga sasagutin. Okay, may manliligaw, parang ganyan, and meron kang sasagutin, and meron sabihin natin ikaw ay sasagutin. Mga ganon, may sasagutin ka, no? Oo, na manliligaw kung babae ka, and pwedeng ikaw ay masasagot. O, kung ikaw ay lalaki, or kung ano man, basta ikaw ay nanliligaw, parang ganyan. Anyway, that's specific. What's with these lovers? Oh, wow! The 5 of Wands. Yeah. There's this connection na pwedeng mangyari by December, and I think the 5 of Wands, this is sabihin nating action action. Pero the Wands is talking about physical. No, sana hindi itong mangyari yung parang yung hindi naman kayo tapos may mangyayari and then eventually magkakaroon na kayo ng relasyon. Parang simula muna is sex, parang ganun. Okay? Some of you, pwedeng magkaroon ng ilan, no? Sabihin kong ilan na gumugusto by December. Okay? Or pwedeng ikaw itong marami kang ginugusto. Okay, by December. This is talking about connection. This is talking about partnership. Okay? Yeah. Some of you, this is magbibigay ng confusion sa'yo kung ano bang pipiliin mo. Okay? Wow. Ang haba naman ng iyong hair. Kahit lalaki ka. O, diba? Yeah. Napakalinaw dito nung energy na ikaw yung pipili. Okay? Kaso mahihirapan ka kasi siguro ang dami. In general, may mga pagpili na gagawin by December. Ano bang gusto mo? Sino bang gusto mo? And then there's this confusion. So siguro andun yung parang hirap, no? Kung ano ba, sino ba yung pipiliin. Pero I'm seeing this sabihin nating a person wanting to connect. Okay? Yeah, a person wanting to connect. Anyway. So what else for the collectives? What else? Ito collectives. By December, ito yung karugtong nung nakikita ko rito. I think yung totoong para sa'yo darating by December, and sana hindi ka magkamali sa pipiliin mo. Kasi sa kung sino man yung mga darating by December, or kung sino man yung mga sabihin nating pagpili, kung ano man yung pagpiling gagawin mo sa gusto mo makakonect by December, sana tama. Kasi isa sa kanila, yun na yung para sa'yo. Yes. That's specific. Galingan ang pagpili, ha? Galingan po ang pagpili. Yes. This is coming from the divine. Okay? Wow. So, what else? Collectives. Temperance in reversed. Don't be too impatient if ever. Okay, what's with this? Yeah. So in general, kung meron kang gagawin, desisyon, aksyon, kung ano man, hindi mo kailangan magmadali. Okay? Hindi mo kailangan magmadali. I'm seeing here a lot of you, a lot. may mga desisyon na pwedeng gawin by December, and kapag tama ang gagawin mong desisyon, sabihin nating malaking pagbabago ang mangyayari sa buhay mo. See? Yeah. There's this victory. Kung magiging maganda ang desisyon na gagawin mo by December, kung ano man ito, this is general. Okay? So, if this is love, if this is talking about money, there's energy of victory kung tama ang magiging desisyon mo. Yeah. Yes. Okay? Yeah. See? The King of Pentacles. This is practicality for some of you. Okay? And yung iba nga talaga dito, pwedeng talking about finance, no? Itong nakikita ko dito. Yep. Wag agad-agad gagawa ng desisyon. Aralin hanggat maaari. Okay? Kung kaya mo talaga na pag-isipan mabuti at wag mag-decide agad-agad, do it. Okay? Yeah. Decision, aralin mo kung anong meron para iwas doubt or iwas regrets if ever. Yeah, regrets. Okay? Or disappointments. Okay? Some of you, I'm seeing na nandun yung pagmamadali pagdating sa healing. Okay? Nandun yung pagmamadali pagdating sa healing. We don't need na magmadali. It's a process. It's a long process. Okay? Daraan ka talaga dito sa sabihin nating mahirap. Okay? Yeah. Again. Some of you, this is talking about practicality talaga. Being responsible. Being mature, maybe. Being grounded. Okay? Some of you, yung energy ninyo is something like avoiding new offers, avoiding love. Okay? It's like, energy ng healing. You're like licking your own wounds. Okay? Parang soldier na galing sa war. Parang ganun. Okay? So, reflecting, healing by December. Okay, this is nice though. Yeah, this is nice. There's drama. Yeah, some of you, you're struggling pagdating sa isang connection. Okay, pero kailangan mangyari kung ano man ang meron. Okay? So, there. Yun ang akin nakikita for you in general, collectives. So, let's go na. Let's proceed na sa person on your mind, collectives. Okay, this is for December. Love read for December. Let's see. Okay, again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay, collectives. Who is the person on your mind? Okay, again, wala pong kailangang zodiac sign. Kung ano man ang zodiac sign mo, pwede mong panoodin ng collectives. Okay? Yeah, the collective read. Okay. So, let's see. Who is the person on your mind? The person on collective's mind, sino ba yan? The Chariot. Okay. Some of them, they love cars. Okay. Some of you, you're moving on from this person, maybe. The Chariot. Okay, anyway. Pwedeng Cancer yan. What's with the Chariot? The Page of Pentacles in reversed. The Nine of Swords. Okay, so collectives, pagdating sa kanya, there's this immaturity. Okay, some of them, they're younger. Yeah. Somebody, pwedeng overthinking kung anong meron. Pwedeng lumalayo sa'yo itong taong to sa ngayon. Okay? Or pwedeng ikaw nagmo-move on from them. There's no communication right now. Some of you, you're in no contact. Okay, ng taong to. The Page of Pentacles in reverse. Maybe there's no too little communication. Okay, between the two of you. Yeah, the Sun in reversed. Sa kung anong meron sa ngayon, pwedeng malungkot ka. No, malungkot ka. Pwedeng yun nga, lumalayo sa'yo itong taong to. Pwedeng hindi mo nakikita or in general, there's this like blockage. Okay? Parang, yeah. Limits, maybe. So, ano bang situation ninyo? Anong situation? Anong sitwasyon ninyo, collectives? Okay. Seven of Swords. Oh. May nag-cheat ba? May nagtago? May nagsikreto? May nagsinungaling? Somebody is being sneaky? Deceptive? What's with the Seven of Swords? Six of Cups. Yeah, this is your past person. This is your past person. Yeah. Still, some of you, nagtiis ka rito, no? Collectives, nagtiis ka dito. So, sitwasyon, the Seven of Swords, the Six of Cups. Kahit ano naman nang ginawa nito, nandun pa rin yung something na importansya or importante pa rin sa'yo itong taong to. Some of you, you still miss this person. Still crying maybe over them. Okay? Yeah, the Two of Pentacles. Ito yung parang nagbibigay ng delay sa'yo, if ever. There's delays. Pagdating sa pag-move on, maybe. Okay? Some of you, you're taking action. Gumagawa ka ng effort sa ngayon. Okay? Para hindi mo masyado maisip itong person. Pero, still, nandun pa rin. Okay? Sumisilip pa rin yung memories ninyo ng taong to. So, pwedeng yun yung isang dahilan kung bakit medyo mahirap sa ngayon, no? Na umusad. Yeah. Meron ditong gusto na talagang umalis sa energy na to. Pero, yung mga memories, kung ano man, yun yung parang naglalakad palayo pero nakatingin ka doon sa iniiwan mo, kinakalimutan mo, parang ganoon. So medyo mabigat, medyo maganit. Okay, yung sitwasyon. Yeah, the Nine of Cups in reverse, the Four of Cups. Some of you are too sad. Some of you, or maybe the situation is giving you sadness. Some of you depression, no? Okay. It's like the one that got away, yung energy. The one that got away. Yeah. Hindi kita masisisi. Okay, collectives. Hindi kita masisisi. So, hindi ko na para buklatin. Okay, ba talaga yung nangyari sa past? Some of you, pwedeng meron nga nag-cheat dito. Okay? Pwedeng pinagkatiwalaan mo siya. Binigay mo lahat, maybe. Okay, pero still nag-cheat pa rin. Anyway. So, what is their emotion for you, collectives? What is their current emotion pagdating sa'yo? So, yun nga. Iba sa kanila, lumalayo. Hindi ka kinakausap. Tingnan natin, emosyon niya. Yeah, the Four of Pentacles. They're holding back. What's with that? Four of Pentacles. The World, Universe. Ooh. Some of them, ramdam pa rin itong taong to, yung unfinished business nyo. Okay? There's this, yeah, still unfinished business. So we have here Leo, Taurus, Aqua, and Scorpio. So, yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng ikaw itong parang, yes, I'm single. Okay? And piliin ko maging masaya. Kahit still, dama ko pa rin kung anong meron sa amin. Pipiliin ko pa rin maging masaya. Okay? Some of them, being the Four of Pentacles, nandito, sabihin natin may pagka-materialistic, no? The Nine of Pentacles rin. Yeah, materialistic. Inintindi mo lang ng inintindi itong taong to. Anyway, holding back, still feeling the unfinished business. Okay, emotion niya, they're holding back. Pagdating sa'yo, not reaching out, being silent maybe. Okay? Kahit itong taong to, alam ko na dapat kailangan niyang humingi ng pasensya sa'yo, no? What is their next action towards you, collectives? Their next action. Their next action. The Six of Pentacles in reversed. Oh, this is one-sidedness. Okay, this is one-sided. What's with the Six of Pentacles in reversed? The Hanged Man. So, specific kung kailangan humingi ng sorry nitong taong to. Pag-iisipan lang nila yon. Okay? Iisipin lang nila, paplanuhin. Okay? Hanggang dun lang muna. Yeah. Alam ng taong tong kailangan niya yung gawin. Kailangan niyang mag-sorry sa'yo. Okay? The Hanged Man is here. Wala silang gagawin actually. Wala silang gagawin. Andun yung parang self-centered, no? May pagka-self-centered itong person. Mas uunahin niya yung kasiyahan niya. Okay? Mas uunahin niya yung sabihin natin kung anong magpapasaya at magpapaligaya sa kanya. Dun lang siya. Okay? Eventually, makakapag-isip ito na mag-reach out sa'yo. Pero ngayon, hindi muna. Yeah, hindi muna. Okay? Some of them talagang iniisip ka pa rin, nandun pa rin. Yeah. Nakukonsensya yung iba sa kanila, sa totoo lang. Nakukonsensya. Let's see ano ang outcome/advice for you collectives. Anong kailangan mong gawin? The Two of Cups in reverse, detached. You have to detach. Okay? Dito sa connection nyo na to, emotion mo, dapat i-detach mo na, ialis mo na hanggat maaari, hanggat kaya. Okay? Why? Why the Two of Cups in reverse? The Hierophant in reverse. Some of you nanghihinayang pa rito. Okay, natakot. Baka mamaya wala na akong makitang iba. You don't know. Okay? Mga possibility. Bakit yan inalis sa'yo? Okay? Dahil meron kang hindi naririnig, hindi nakikita, na si universe ang nakakita at nakakarinig. Okay? So, may mga tao talaga. This is acceptance, I think. Okay, this acceptance. So, ang nakuha ko rito is kailangan mo na dumistansya at mag-detach dito and heal. Okay, kasi itong taong to, the Hierophant in reverse, they're not serious. They're non-committal. Okay? Sila yung taong kakapit lang sa alam nilang meron silang makukuha. The benefits. Okay, whether it's financial or whether it's emotional, support, kung ano man, doon sila kakapit. So, hayaan mo na to. Okay? Kasi, kung meron man tong Iba sa ngayon, yeah, they cheated on you. Okay? Some of them may kinakasama sa ngayon. Hahanap at hahanap pa rin tong taong to eh, no? Kung merong hindi maibigay yung kinakasama niya, hahanap at hahanap to. Mahirap yung ganun. Okay? Hindi marunong makontento. So, wag ka manghihinayang. Some of you're nanghihinayang. Okay, you are. Sana you were. Para tapos na. Okay? Baka mamaya wala na akong makitang ibang gaya niya. What? Wala ka na dapat makitang gaya niya. Sa totoo lang. Okay? Yeah. Iba sa inyo, talagang inuna mo pa to eh. Ha? Inuna mo pa to. Binigay mo lahat. Oh. Binigay mo lahat. Pero hindi pa rin siya nakontento. So, wala ka ng problema dun. Hindi mo na problema to. Problema na niya to. Okay? So, yun ang aking nakikita. Huwag ka manghinayang sa hindi dapat. Yeah. Okay? And tama yung ginagawa mo if ever you're focusing na, no? Sa pag-move on or sa pag-heal. Okay? So, tayo tumungo na sa all signs. Kamanghihinayang. Lalo naman kung ibinigay mo naman lahat, ginawa mo lahat. So, wala ka na dapat regrets dun. Okay? Sila lang dapat ang magkaroon nun. Sila dapat ang magkaroon. Sila makaramdam nun. Yeah. Okay? So, let's see. Aries through Pisces. Okay. Aries. So, disconnect. Andyan yung pag-disconnect. Some of you, I'm seeing here a separation with an Aries. Taurus. Okay. Some of them, they will come back. Okay? Some of them, hindi magiging successful. Oo. Kung sino man ang pinuntahan nito, yeah, kung may nangyaring separation, okay, sa inyong dalawa, hindi magiging successful kung sino man yung kasama niya sa ngayon. And yes, babalik to sa'yo. Pero asahan mo, ganun pa rin siya, ha? Okay? Gemini. Oh, they're a player. They're a player. Cancer. So, some of you, pwedeng there's this Cancerian na attracted sa'yo. Physically, maybe. Okay? Or maybe, pwedeng gusto ni Cancerian na to na magkaroon kayo ng new beginning. Leo. So, there's this energy of acceptance. Yeah. Virgo. Okay. An ending of a cycle. Okay? Pwedeng may gagawin ng decision itong si Virgo. Libra, you're confusing. Okay, some of them, pwedeng itong si Libra ay may something na itinatago. Dark side. Okay, Scorpio. They're not ready to commit. Some of them, they have money issues. Sag. Okay, Sagittarius. They're sad. Okay, they're sad. Hindi nito alam kung anong gagawin niya sa ngayon, lalo na kung may nangyaring hiwalayan. Okay? So, walang plano in general. Capricorn. Okay, some of you, there's this Capricorn na pwedeng magbigay ng kalinawan, or pwedeng tong Capricorn na to magbigay ng linaw sa'yo. Some of them, they're happy. Okay? So, yeah. Aquarius. Pwede may ma-friend zone. Okay, dito. Yeah, sa inyong dalawa ni Aqua. Wala akong nakikitang reconciliation. If ever you're waiting for a reconciliation with this Aqua. Pisces. Okay. Some of them, ibababa nila yung guard nila for you. Okay. Meron silang gustong gawin, pero they don't know how. They don't know what to say, maybe. Okay? Yeah. The Knight of Wands. Itong Pisces na to, pwedeng andun yung immaturity. gagawa siya ng action towards you na pwedeng sabihin natin napaka subtle. Sabihin natin parang hindi ganun ka-solid. Okay? So there. Yeah, yun ang aking reading for you, collectives. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye!